Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. And in today's video, I'm also going to give you some update on the Litecoin as well. First of all, let me to take you to the live chart, and this is the weekly chart. As I told you in my previous video that the real resistance for the Bitcoin is at $17,200. Even though in the previous bull run back in 2017, we have seen the spike up to $20,000, but we had three common touches at least up to $17,200. Therefore, our real resistance, the price level resistance, is at $17,200. And even though we have a very strong resistance, the psychological resistance at $20,000 as well. So this is a really very critical zone, and the price action of Bitcoin can be rejected at any time and can move back down. Now, what the price action can do, if we take a look at the daily chart, this is the EMA 10, and this is the exponential moving average 21. Then the price action is likely to have some consolidation above this 21 EMA and add this $17,200 as well. So if we will have a closing of a weekly chart above this $17,200, maybe this support will be saved. But I want to show you some more move of the Bitcoin. If I show you this chart first, this is really very important chart. This has a very strong connection to the update that I'm gonna tell you right now in this video. This was the guardian move that the Bitcoin completed back in April 2020, and I told you that the price action of Bitcoin can move up as per Fibonacci sequence of this guardian pattern. And now I'm playing this chart, and we can observe that the price action has even spiked beyond my sell targeted zone, and it has produced more than 185% rally so far. Now, if we move on the monthly chart again, because this was the monthly chart, and take a look at the move of the Bitcoin, then it is again completing another harmonic move. This time it is likely to be a bad pattern. For example, this is the initial leg, and this is the second leg, A to B. Then we have this leg. We can ignore some extra spike, and after that it has entered here that ends up to almost 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. So this is the final retracement level as per the bullish bad pattern that ends up to almost this level. So we can place our this sell target zone. We can set our sell target zone from 0.786 up to 0.886. 0.886 Fibonacci retracement ends up to almost roughly, you can say, $17,600. So this can be the potential reversal zone from here. If the price action will be dropped from this level, then it can move all the way down. That will be the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. If I place the Fibonacci projection, this is the Fibonacci tool from A to D leg, then we can see that roughly the price action of Bitcoin can move from this level, 0.382, to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement or projection level. And this level starts from $12,000 and ends up to $6,200. So that can be a really, very big drop. But if the price action will have the closing on the monthly chart above this level, that is almost $17,600, then the price action can move more up for the completion of the bullish butterfly pattern. For example, if we place it here, removing this Fibonacci tool, then it can move from 1.27 almost up to this level. From this level, and it can move up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, 1.618. That ends up to this level. And after that, we can have another drop before the next bullish rally that ends up to $30,000. Start from almost $24,000 and ends up to $30,000. So only almost 3 days are left in ending of this month. So if we will have the closing above this level, on the monthly chart, then the price action may move more up for the completion of the final leg of the bullish butterfly that starts from this level, that is 24,000, and ends up to $30,000, and then we can have some retracement move before the next bullish rally. But at this time, the price action is at a very critical position because we are not having closing above this level, and the price action is still moving in this potential reversal zone of this bearish butterfly pattern. So next 2 or 3 days are really very important for the price line of Bitcoin. If it will be closed above this level on the monthly chart, then we can expect a bearish butterfly move that will be moved more up. And if the price action will be not able to close above this level on the monthly chart within next 2 or 3 days, then we can expect a drop almost at $12,000. And this is the same level where we have this 0.786 Fibonacci projection of the previous garlic pattern, and it will work as a very strong support. Otherwise, the price action, if it will be moved more down, then it can move more down to the $6,500 as I have $6,200 as I have told you. But I'm expecting that at least at that level, it can have a very strong support. And this is almost the same level where I have been showing you in my previous videos that the Bitcoin have the previous support of this weekly channel that is almost at $12,000. So from there, it can have another bounce or move to the upside. Now let's move to the Litecoin chart. As in my previous video of the Litecoin, I told you that the price action of Litecoin is going to break out this resistance of the triangle, and it can move up to this $100. This is as per sequence of the symmetrical triangle. I just took the measurement from this tail of the triangle up to this support and place it in here at the tip, and it was $100. So now you can see that the price action has finally broken out this resistance. So far we have spiked up to even beyond $94, and it can even move more up. But this move depends on the further move of the Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin will have the closing above that potential reversal zone of the butterfly that I've already shown you on the monthly chart, then we can expect that it can move more up. Otherwise, if it will be moved more down, then we have a very strong support. This previous resistance of this symmetrical triangle almost at $70, where it will be moved up to this level. Sorry, this is $62. So we can have a very strong support up to this level, and after retesting this support, it can move up to hit the $100. That is a really very strong psychological resistance for the price action of Litecoin, as we have a psychological resistance of the Bitcoin as well, that is 20K. So this was the update so far. This is a really very critical time. Next 2 or 3 days will decide where the Bitcoin is going and what the Bitcoin is going to do very soon. So take care. Goodbye.